Namaste my friends. In this video I will talk about the urea clearance test and creatinine clearance test. These are very important from examination point of view because either urea clearance test or creatinine clearance test can be given as a short note question. Okay, can be given as a short note question, that is 5 marks question, or they can be asked as a part of 10 marks question, long question. So they can ask classify renal function test and write about creatinine clearance test or write about urea clearance test. Okay. Either they can come as a part of short note or as a part of long essay question. So first we will see what is creatinine clearance test. So when it is given, the question is given for short note, you have to first give the definition, then you have to explain what is the actual meaning, what is the creatinine or what is urea. Then we have to explain how the test is conducted. Then you have to give the reference value. Then you have to tell the significance. When it is decreases or increases, what will happen, like that. You have to give the significance. So first, the definition of creatinine clearance test is we can define creatinine clearance test as the volume of plasma that is completely cleared of creatinine per minute. Volume of plasma that is completely cleared of creatinine per minute. Okay, this is the definition of creatinine clearance test. So next we will see what is this creatinine. Creatinine is nothing but the waste product of muscle creatine phosphate. It's the waste product formed from muscle creatine phosphate. So these creatinine values depends on the total muscle mass of the body. Total muscle mass of the body will so the creatinine clearance value, its production, creatinine production depends on the total muscle mass of the body. So another thing is this creatinine clearance value, it is not influenced by these values are not influenced by the dietary factors. Whatever you eat, urea, suppose if you eat more amount of protein, urea clearance test values will increase. But these creatinine values are more accurate and it is not influenced by the dietary factors, whatever you eat, and age, sex, exercise, all these will not influence creatinine clearance value. So it is more accurate compared to urea clearance test. And creatinine clearance, it is an ideal substance. It is an ideal substance to measure the glomerular function, ideal substance, because it is completely filtered in the glomerulus and only very marginally reabsorbed, negligible. It is amount of creatinine which is reabsorbed from the tubules is very negligible. So the creatinine clearance value is more accurate and it is close to glomerular filtration rate. So creatinine is completely filtered in the glomerulus and only marginally reabsorbed in the tubules. Okay, but it is not secreted. So its values is very close to glomerular function filtration rate. So it is a very ideal substance to assess the functioning of the kidney, how the kidney is functioning. So this creatinine clearance test is a very ideal test. So what is how the test is conducted? How do we conduct the test in the laboratory? So first we will collect the volume of 24-hour urine. How much volume of urine during the 24 hours, that is volume of 24-hour urine is collected. Then concentration of creatinine in urine and plasma in the 24-hour urine is seen. Okay, concentration of 24-hour creatinine in urine and plasma is measured. Okay. Then we will, through the formula C is equal to UV by P. The last class I have told you, C is equal to UV by P formula. We will measure the creatinine clearance value. C means creatinine clearance value here. U means the concentration of creatinine in urine. V means volume of urine excreted per minute in ml, and P means the concentration of creatinine in plasma. Okay, the formula C is equal to UV by P. Okay, don't forget it. And how we will do it, the test procedure, we measure the volume of 24-hour urine, then we will measure the concentration of 24-hour creatinine in urine and plasma. Okay, then we will put the formula C is equal to UV by P. Okay, what is the value? What is the value, normal values of creatinine clearance test? It is usually 120 ml per minute, which is very close to the glomerular filtration rate. 120 ml per minute, close to the glomerular filtration rate. So what is the significance? Significance is creatinine clearance test value decreases during glomerular dysfunction. So creatinine is being completely filtered through the glomerulus and only very negligible amount is being reabsorbed. So the creatinine clearance test value decreases during glomerular dysfunction. Okay, during glomerular dysfunction. Okay, this is about creatinine clearance test, which is very important from exam point of view. So either creatinine clearance test or urea clearance test, it is very most commonly asked in exams. Okay, so if it is asked, you have to write the definition, what is creatinine clearance test, and then you have to tell what is creatinine. It's the waste product of formed from muscle creatine phosphate, and its value depends on the total muscle mass of the body. Then you have to also tell the creatine values, clearance values is not influenced by the dietary factors, age, exercise. All these things will not influence the creatinine clearance values, and the body metabolism will not influence the creatinine clearance value. So creatinine clearance value is the ideal substance. Like that you have to explain. Then after that you have to write how the test is conducted. Okay, how the test is conducted. Then you have to write what the formula. You have to write the formula C is equal to UV by P. Then you have to explain it. What is the meaning of C? What is the meaning of U? What is the meaning of V? What is P? Okay. Then you have to write mention the units also. Okay. C means clearance value, U means concentration of creatinine in milligram per ml, P means concentration of creatinine in plasma in milligram per ml, and V means volume of urine excreted per minute in ml. So don't forget to mention the units. That also they will check. The examiner will check the units also. Then you have to write the normal reference value, that is 120 ml per minute. Then significance, its value decreases during glomerular dysfunction. So these things you have to, if you mention, you will get maximum marks. Okay. Then the next important short note question, urea clearance test. Urea clearance test. So again in the same way you have to write. In exams, if it is asked urea clearance test, which is most commonly asked, you have to write in the same way. Urea clearance test, the definition is urea clearance test, we can define it as, again same way, the volume of plasma that is completely cleared of urea per minute. Volume of plasma that is completely cleared of urea per minute. Okay. Next we have to explain what is this urea. That is, urea is the end product of protein or amino acid metabolism. Urea is the end product of protein or amino acid metabolism. So if we eat more proteins, if we intake more proteins, the urea level values, urea clearance test values will increase. Okay. So that is one drawback. If we eat more protein, the values will increase. So that is one drawback from the this urea clearance test. And one more thing, next thing you have to tell how this urea is being filtered, what will happen. So we have to tell urea is completely filtered in the glomerulus and reabsorbed. About 40% of the urea is reabsorbed in the tubules. About 40% of urea is reabsorbed in the tubules. This is important because urea clearance value is less than glomerular filtration rate. Okay, that why urea clearance value is less than glomerular filtration rate, because it is some amount of urea is reabsorbed in the tubules. Okay, so then we have to write about the test, how the test is being conducted. Urea clearance test is conducted in the laboratory. So here it is different from creatinine clearance test. For urea clearance test, when the patient comes to the lab, we will give him a cup of water. We will give him a cup of water and we will ask him to empty the bladder. We will ask him to empty the bladder and discard the urine. Okay. We will give him a cup of water and ask him to empty the bladder, and we will discard. We will ask him to discard that urine. But after 1 hour, remember this, after 1 hour, we will again ask him to empty the bladder and we will collect the urine. After 1 hour, we will ask him to empty the bladder and we will measure the volume of urine that is emptied. So first we will give a cup of water and we will ask him to empty the bladder and discard that urine. Immediately whatever urine is found, we will ask him to discard. But after 1 hour, whatever we will collect ask him to empty the bladder and we will measure that volume of urine, and we will also measure the urea values in plasma and urea values in urea values in urine. Whatever the urine we have collected, we will measure the urea values. So next is this urea clearance formula. Next we will see the formula. So here there is a small difference compared to the creatinine clearance test. In urea clearance test, it is of 2 types. Okay, it is of 2 types, whereas creatinine clearance test, it is only of 1 type, that is. So what is this 2 types? Why there is 2 types means, the urea clearance test, suppose when the urine excreted is more than 2 ml per minute, more, remember the word more, mm. So then we will call it as maximum urea clearance test. Maximum urea clearance test, we will call it maximum urea clearance test when the volume of urine excreted is more than 2 ml per minute. And when the volume of urine is excreted is less than 2 ml per minute, we will call it as standard urea clearance test. Okay, don't forget these 2 words, maximum and standard. What is maximum? Maximum means more than 2 ml per minute. Volume of urine excreted is more than 2 ml per minute. That is maximum urea clearance test, and standard urea clearance test is less than 2 ml per minute. Volume of urine excreted is less than 2 ml per minute. That is standard. More means maximum urea clearance test. So again the value, there is formula, there is slight difference. Okay, for maximum urea clearance test, Cm will denote it, denominator. Okay, Cm is equal to UV by P. Cm is equal to UV by P. That is Cm means maximum urea clearance value is equal to U means concentration of urea in urine, V means volume of urine in excreted per minute in ml, and P means concentration of urea in plasma. Units is milligram per deciliter. Okay, milligram per deciliter. So there is what about standard? This is maximum, and standard is CS. We will denote it by as CS. Maximum urea clearance, we will denote it as Cm. whereas standard urea clearance test we will denote it as CS is equal to U into root of V, okay, root of V, not V, not C, U, V by P, whereas in standard urea clearance test, U into the root of V by P. That is the difference. Remember this difference between maximum urea clearance test and standard urea clearance test is the formula. In the formula, Cm is equal to UV by P, whereas Cs is equal to U into root of V by P. Okay, once again, Cm is equal to UV by P, whereas Cs is equal to U into root of V by P. Okay, so again the same. What is U? Cm. What is Cs? Cs means standard urea clearance value, and U means volume of urea in milligram per ml, volume of urea in urine in milligram per ml, root of V. Root means we will take the root, square root value. V means volume of urine excreted per minute in ml. P means concentration of urea in plasma in milligram per deciliter. Okay, concentration of urea in plasma in milligram per deciliter. So what are the values? Reference values. Reference values for maximum urea clearance is 75 ml per minute, whereas the reference value, reference value for this standard urea clearance value is 54 ml per minute. Did you notice the difference? For maximum urea clearance value is 75 ml per minute, whereas standard urea clearance value is 54 ml per minute. Okay. Next is, what is the significance? Significance is same. The value urea clearance test values will decrease during kidney damage, renal diseases or kidney damage, whenever there is both glomerular dysfunction and tubular dysfunction. Whenever there is both glomerular dysfunction and tubular dysfunction in renal diseases, the value of urea clearance value will decrease. Understood? Okay, did you understood the difference? In urea clearance there is slight this thing you have to understand the difference. It is of two types: maximum urea clearance, standard urea clearance. Maximum means more than 2 ml per minute. Volume of urine excreted is more than 2 ml per minute. Standard urea clearance means volume of urine excreted is less than 2 ml per minute. And in the formula also there is difference. The formula for maximum urea clearance is Cm is equal to UV by P, whereas the formula for standard urea clearance is Cs is equal to U into square root of V by P. U into square root of V by P. And there is difference in the reference value also. The reference value of maximum urea clearance is 75 ml per minute, whereas the reference value of this standard urea clearance is 54 ml per minute. Okay, this is about the two important questions: urea clearance test and creatinine clearance test. Once again I will revise quickly because this is very, very important from exam point of view. What is urea clearance test? What is urea clearance test and what is creatinine clearance test? Creatinine clearance test definition is creatinine clearance test can be defined as the volume of plasma that is completely cleared of creatinine per minute. And what is this creatinine? Creatinine is the waste product formed from muscle creatine phosphate. Its production depends on the total muscle mass in the body, and creatinine is completely filtered in the glomerulus and only very negligible amount is reabsorbed in the tubules. So this creatinine clearance value will be very close to the glomerular filtration rate. Since it is completely filtered and very negligible amount is reabsorbed, these values will be very close to the glomerular filtration rate. And the creatinine clearance value, it is not influenced by the metabolism which occurs in the body, and age, exercise and dietary factors, dietary intake of any food substances, it will not influence the creatinine clearance value. So this is the creatinine clearance test is the ideal test to assess the kidney function, how the kidneys are functioning. To assess it, creatinine clearance value is test is ideal. And how the test is conducted, next we have to tell how the test is conducted. We will measure the 24-hour volume of urine, and we will measure the volume of creatinine in plasma and volume of concentration of creatinine in plasma and concentration of creatinine in 24-hour urine. Next we will put the formula C is equal to UV by P. C means here creatinine clearance value, U means concentration of creatinine in urine in milligram per deciliter, and V means volume of urine excreted per minute in ml, and P means concentration of creatinine in plasma in milligram per deciliter. The next is we have to tell the reference value. Reference value is 120 ml per minute, which is very close to the glomerular filtration rate. Next we have to write the significance. The significance is creatinine clearance test, it decreases, the value will decrease whenever there is glomerular dysfunction. Whenever there is glomerular dysfunction, the creatinine clearance value will decrease. Next is coming to the urea clearance test. Again we have to define what is it. Definition is urea clearance test is the volume of plasma that is completely cleared of urea per minute. Okay. Next we have to tell what is this urea. Urea, it is the end product of protein or amino acid metabolism, and this urea, it is completely filtered in the glomerulus and 40% is reabsorbed in the tubules. Okay. So the urea clearance value is less than glomerular filtration rate. Okay. And one more thing is the amount of protein intake will influence the urea clearance test values. So the more protein you take in the diet, so the more urea clearance value will increase. Okay, because urea is the end product of protein metabolism. And next is we have to write how do we conduct the test, how do we conduct the urea clearance test in the laboratory. So here we give a cup of water. When the patient comes to the laboratory, we give a cup of water and we will ask him to empty the bladder and throw off that urine and discard that urine. And after 1 hour, we will ask him to again empty the bladder and we will collect it. We will empty the bladder and we will measure that volume of urine, how much amount of that volume is measured. Okay. Then in that urine we will measure the concentration of urea, and we will also measure the concentration of urea in plasma. And here the next important thing is there are two types. Urea clearance test is of two types: maximum urea clearance test and standard urea clearance test. Maximum urea clearance test means it is whenever more. Remember, maximum means more. That word you remember. Maximum urea clearance test means the volume of urine that is excreted is more than 2 ml per minute. Whenever the volume of urine excreted is more than 2 ml per minute, we will take it as maximum urea clearance test. And the formula is CM. CM means maximum urea clearance value. CM is equal to UV by P. CM means maximum urea clearance value. U means concentration of urea in urine in milligram per deciliter. V means volume of urine excreted per minute in ml. P means concentration of urea in plasma in milligram per deciliter. And the next we will reference value. Reference value for maximum urea clearance test is 75 ml per minute. Next is standard urea clearance test. Standard urea clearance test. So standard means whenever the volume of urine excreted is less than 2 ml per minute. Whenever the volume of urine excreted is less than 2 ml per minute, we will consider it as standard urea clearance test. Okay. So again the formula CES is equal to U into square root of V by P. This is the main important difference. CES is equal to U into square root of V by P. Okay, CS means standard urea clearance value. U means concentration of urea in urine in milligram per deciliter. V means volume of urine excreted per minute in ml, and P means concentration of urea in plasma in milligram per deciliter. The value, reference value CES is equal to 54 ml per minute, 54 ml per minute. And the significance of urea clearance test is the urea clearance test values decreases during kidney diseases. That is, whenever there is glomerular dysfunction and tubular dysfunction, this urea clearance test values will decrease. So this is about creatinine clearance test and urea clearance test, which are very, very important from exam point of view. Thank you.